Check it out, guys. I'm converting feeder and main pump on this 86 into single high pressure pump, in-tank high pressure pump. This frame is from 1991 318IS E30, obviously, and it needs small modification to work. So what I did is remove this there's this buffer right here. I removed that and I just installed a 8mm fuel line straight on the pump, and this is feed and this is return right here. It's a little bit tricky to put it in because all of the lines are in the way. So this line right here has to be bent more upwards in order for the line to fit. So I'm gonna fit it in the tank right now. Check it out, guys. So what is next? This is the return line. So return will go here, and this is the pressure line. It has to go here, but this is wider. See, it's a wider hose. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jam in there this 5/16 or 7.9mm hose, and make sure you get one for fuel injection. Usually when you go to these parts stores and you say I need some fuel line, they just sell you vapor fuel line, which is low pressure, and you don't want that. You want the real high pressure fuel injection line, which runs about $10 a foot. Actually, it's not cheap. See, what I did is I jammed this 5/16 line or 8mm line inside of this feed hose that goes over the tank under the car. See right there? So I'm gonna pull on this hose, and then that's gonna pull this hose above the fuel tank. I'm doing this because I don't want to lower the fuel tank in order to install this fuel line. So this is like an easy option, and I hope that's gonna hold. I'm pulling on it and it looks like I jammed it in there correctly. Look at that. All right. Wish me luck. Here it is. Came out. Good deal, man. So all I gotta do under the car is connect this buffer. What this does is equalizes the fuel pressure. It's not a fuel pressure regulator. It's just buffering out the drop in fuel pressure when the fuel injectors open and close. So that's what it does. The actual fuel pressure regulator is on the fuel rail. So I'm going to install this so the new line will go here and it'll connect to the one that goes to the front of the car. Right? This is how it's supposed to look underneath. So this is the pressure and this is the return. And I'm going to isolate this this pump. I'm going to put some tape on this and zip tie it up here. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. As you can hear, that's the fuel pump running. I'm testing it out. So all I have to do now is reconnect these wires. The plug is going to be different. So I'm just going to solder these right here in the back and wrap it up with electrical tape. That's going to be it for this single fuel pump modification. Why do you have to do this? Well, it eliminates the need for two pumps, which are getting really expensive. So all you need is the pump from 1991 318IS, and you're good to go.